Llama Group, happy Friday. You guys have finished your first week of round 4, and now we only have 3 weeks of school left. So let's make sure that every day we're trying our best as we finish out our TK and kindergarten year. Okay, you guys, today you have all of your normal routines, including finishing up your Isaac flag. This was part of our PBL project. And so if you haven't gotten a chance to do it, check out the YouTube video posted below and make sure you try to work on this today. Have your parents take a picture of it and send it to me through text message or Dojo. And this is our last part of our PBL project about community. And it's a true representation of our Isaac community. So go ahead and get those flags done and sent over me today. Your first activity that you guys have is a poem. It's called My New Suit. So for this, I want you really trying to read it fluently out loud on your own, sounding out the words on your own, and then completing the rest of the worksheet that goes with it. You also have some time-ordered sentences, okay? Now I want you to look closely at this. This has a 1 here. These 4 go together, and then these 4 go together. So you're going to cut these out, and then you have to place them in order by what makes sense. So it says, yesterday we went to the zoo. Today we will go to the park. Last week we went to the beach. Tomorrow we are going to school. So the thing that happened farthest in the past would be last week. Last week we went to the beach. Then after that, it'd be yesterday we went to the zoo. Today we will go to the park. And tomorrow we are going to school. So you have to place them in order based off of the descriptions from what happened farthest away to what might happen in the future, okay? So try your best to get these in the right order, and it's okay if you have to mix them up more than once. And then you're going to draw a picture from one of them to match. You can pick whichever one you want, or if you want, you can draw all 4 in that teeny tiny box. Here we are adding together 3 single-digit numbers. So for this, there's a couple different ways you could do it. You can try to make it 10, or you could just add them across. So right here we have 4 plus 5 equals 9. And sometimes it's really helpful if you do like a little arrow and you write a 9. That way your brain doesn't forget I already added those 2 numbers. So 4 plus 5 equals 9, plus 6 more equals 15. So you have to make sure you're adding all the numbers together. Now for me, I saw right away, I know 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I might do 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 5 more is 15. It's a lot easier to add on to 10 since it's already it's a great number to add from. So if you want, you can try to make it 10. It doesn't work for all of them, but it does work for some. So you can try to make it 10 and then add the rest, or you could just add them straight across. Okay, and then we have good versus bad citizens. Yesterday we talked about what it meant to be a good citizen and what a citizen is. So I want you to look at each of these pictures and think, are these people here being good citizens or bad citizens? Are they being helpful and kind? Or are they being sneaky and disrespectful or breaking the rules? So I want you to really carefully look at each of these pictures and think, are they being a good citizen or a bad citizen? I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.